Hello students, we had started Unit 4 Power Supply, and in the last lecture we had seen the DC regulated power supply. In today's lecture we are going to see rectifiers. These are the devices which are useful to convert the alternating current into pulsating DC voltage, and we will see the different types of rectifiers here which are used in electronic circuits. First we will see the definition of rectifier. A rectifier is a device that converts alternating current AC to direct current DC. It is done by using a diode or a group of diodes. There are different types of rectifiers available, and they are classified according to their DC output. The rectifiers are classified as a half wave rectifier, a full wave rectifier, and a bridge wave rectifier. Now, in half wave rectifier, a single diode is used for rectification purpose. In full wave rectifier, there are two diodes, and in bridge wave rectifiers, it uses four diodes for rectification. First, we will see a half wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier. What is a half wave rectifier? A half wave rectifier is defined as a type of rectifier that only allows one half cycle of AC voltage waveform to pass and blocks the other half cycle. Half wave rectifiers used to convert the AC voltage to DC voltage and only require a single diode to construct. When a standard AC waveform is passed through a half wave rectifier, it only allows one half cycle, that is positive or negative half cycle of the AC voltage to pass and will block the other half cycle on the DC side. रेक्टिफायर म्हणजे ॲक्च्युली काय तर AC म्हणजेच अल्टरनेटिंग करंटचं डायरेक्ट करंटमध्ये कन्वर्जन करण्यासाठी जो बेसिक कंपोनंट किंवा बेसिक डिव्हाइस जे यूज केलं जातं ते म्हणजे रेक्टिफायर. आणि रेक्टिफायरचे अकॉर्डिंग टू number of diodes used in the rectifier, they are classified generally in three types. They are as half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, and bridge wave rectifier. And in here half wave rectifier, this half wave rectifier, it is a type of rectifier which only allows one half cycle of AC voltage to pass and blocks the other half cycle. These are used to convert the AC to DC voltage, and they use only a single diode to construct the rectifier. If we apply a AC waveform to the rectifier circuit, here we can see this is a AC waveform, that is sinusoidal signal. If we apply a sinusoidal signal to the rectifier circuit, then due to only one diode used in that circuit, or we know that the PN junction diode can conduct current through it only when it is forward bias, and due to this diode will be conduct for only one half cycle, that is for positive half cycle if it is connected like this, and for negative if it is connected reverse. So for positive half cycle, this diode will be forward bias, and we will get the pulsating DC current or DC voltage at its DC side or output side, and it only allows one half cycle, that is positive or negative of AC voltage to pass and will block the other half cycle on the DC side. We can see here in the figure. Next we have to see the construction of half wave rectifier. In construction of half wave rectifier, while studying the working of half wave rectifier or construction of rectifier, we only need to keep in mind that only one diode is used here and it allows current to flow in one direction only. हाफ वेव्ह रेक्टिफायरचं स्टडी करत असताना आपल्याला एक गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवायची आहे इथं, ती म्हणजे की हा जो हाफ वेव्ह रेक्टिफायर आहे याच्यामध्ये एकच डायोड यूज केला जातो आणि हा हाफ वेव्ह रेक्टिफायर फक्त एकाच डिरेक्शनमध्ये करंट फ्लो करू शकतो. अ हाफ वेव्ह रेक्टिफायर is the simplest form of a rectifier and if we a half wave rectifier is the simplest form of rectifier available and here the diagram shown will illustrates here the half wave rectifier, okay, which we had seen in this diagram. Then the DC systems we well known about that require the DC supply to operate the devices. The DC systems only work on the DC supply, so they need a current, or the DC systems are designed to have a current flowing in a single direction, that is a constant voltage. But if we put an AC voltage waveform with a positive and a negative cycles through the DC devices, which will act as a destructive consequences to the DC devices. So we use the rectifiers to convert the AC input power into the DC output power. Here the diode is the only part of a rectifier, but a complete rectifier or complete half wave rectifier circuit consists of three main parts. One is the transformer, second one is the resistive load, and third one is a diode. A half wave rectifier circuit diagram will be looks like as shown here. We can see a supply voltage is connected here, then this is a transformer, diode and a load. The transformer used is a step down transformer which will be helpful to level down the high AC voltage to the low AC voltage. Then diode, it is works as a rectifier which only passes a positive voltage and or positive half cycle and blocks the negative half cycle in this diagram, and a load is connected here. Now we will see how the rectifier converts the AC voltage to a DC output. First, a high AC voltage. In working principle, if first a high AC voltage is applied to the primary side of the step down transformer, we can see here like this, and we will get a low voltage at the secondary winding which will be applied at the diode. We well known about the function of transformer. Transformer just transfers a high energy or high supply into the low supply, okay, or it will only convert the high AC voltage to the low AC voltage. Here step down transformer is used. We can see the winding of primary are more than the secondary windings are less. So this is a symbol of second step down transformer, and this step down transformer reduces the high AC voltage supply to the low voltage AC. Then if this supply is applied to the diode, and here we will get a low voltage at the secondary winding which is applied at the diode, and we will get the pulsating DC output across the load. How we will get this pulsating DC for positive? We will see during the positive half cycle of the AC voltage, the diode will be forward bias, and while during the negative half cycle of the AC voltage, this diode will be reverse bias and the flow of current will be blocked. So the final output voltage waveform on the secondary will be like this as shown here. This can be little bit confusing on a first glance, so we will get deep in this theory bit more, and we will focus on the secondary side of the circuit only as shown here. If we replace the secondary transformer coils with a source voltage, in this diagram complete transformer is here. As we discussed here, this transformer just lowers the AC voltage of supply, and we will get here the AC, low voltage AC. We will focus on this circuit only. Just see, just to illustrate or to get more to इथं आपण काय करूयात तर हे सर्किट फक्त या ठिकाणी कन्सिडर करूयात. या ठिकाणी फक्त AC सप्लाय आपण कनेक्ट करूयात, जेणेकरून आपलं सर्किट जे आहे ते अजून सिंपल फॉर्ममध्ये येईल. सो द सर्किट विल बी लाईक दिस. ओके, दिस इज द AC voltage, then diode and then load. If we replace the secondary of the transformer coils with a source voltage, we can simplify the circuit of half wave rectifier like this. Here, hence for the positive half cycle of AC source voltage, the equivalent circuit will become as. आता या ठिकाणी हे कंप्लीट सर्किट आपण AC व्होल्टेज अप्लाय केल्यानंतर असं दिसेल असं म्हटलं. आता आपण काय करूयात तर फक्त पॉझिटिव्ह हाफ सायकल आपण या ठिकाणी अप्लाय केली आहे असं कन्सिडर करून सर्किट रिड्रॉ करूयात. ड्युरिंग द पॉझिटिव्ह हाफ सायकल ऑफ AC इनपुट, you can see here the symbol shown. So during the positive half cycle of the AC input, the diode is forward bias, so it will be act as a closed switch. Okay, या ठिकाणी डायोड कंडक्ट होतोय आणि तो क्लोज्ड स्विच म्हणून ऍक्ट होतोय. सो हिअर डायोड इज नॉट शोन. ओके, दिस विल बी ऍक्ट एज अ क्लोज्ड सर्किट and hence allowing the current pass through it, so it will be act as a closed circuit. But this is for a positive half cycle. But if we consider or during the negative half cycle of AC input, we can see the diode is reverse bias and hence no current is able to pass through it, so it is shown as a open switch. Since current cannot flow to the load during this time, why? Because the polarity is reversed here. We can see for positive half cycle the polarity is like this, and for negative half cycle the polarity of AC waveform will be like this. So for this polarity the diode will not conduct and it is reverse bias and it will be act as a open switch, and hence no current is able to pass through it. Since current cannot flow to the load during this time, the output voltage is equal to 0. This all happens very quickly since AC waveform will oscillate between positive and negative many times each second depending on the frequency. आता हे जे घडतंय ते काही आपल्याला असं डोळ्यांनी दिसण्यासारखं नसणार आहे. पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह हाफ सायकल्स दे आर डिपेंडंट ऑन द फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ AC मीन्स, आणि ते खूप क्विकली घडतं. म्हणजे इन सेकंड, एका सेकंदामध्ये खूप वेळा होतं हे की पॉझिटिव्ह हाफ सायकलला डायोड फॉरवर्ड बायस असेल आणि इट विल कंडक्ट द करंट, वी विल गेट द आउटपुट. अँड फॉर निगेटिव्ह हाफ सायकल इट विल ॲक्ट एज अ open switch and there will be no current and we will get the output 0. Okay, so here what the half wave rectifier waveform looks like on the output side and what it looks like on the input side and what will look like on the output side after rectification we will see in the graph here. The graph here actually shows the positive हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर. या ठिकाणी जो ग्राफ दाखवलेला आहे तो पॉझिटिव्ह हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायरचा आहे. वी कॅन सी हिअर दिस इज द AC इनपुट व्होल्टेज which is applied at the input of a transformer and which is available at the secondary of transformer. हे जे इनपुट आपण या ठिकाणी बघतोय हे सेकंडरीच्या इथं अवेलेबल आहे ट्रान्सफॉर्मरच्या अँड वी गेट द आउटपुट लाईक दिस as this waveform is of positive half wave rectifier. पॉझिटिव्ह हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर का म्हणते कारण या ठिकाणी हा जो डायोड आहे तो फक्त पॉझिटिव्ह हाफ सायकलमध्ये कंडक्ट होईल आणि निगेटिव्ह हाफ सायकलला तो ऑफ असेल. सो वी विल गेट हिअर झिरो आउटपुट फॉर निगेटिव्ह हाफ सायकल. फॉर ईच निगेटिव्ह हाफ सायकल वी विल गेट हिअर झिरो आउटपुट व्होल्टेज. ओके. So the voltage waveform before and after a positive half wave rectifier are like this, and conversely a negative half wave rectifier will only allow a negative half cycle through the diode and will block the positive half cycle. The only difference in that is that positive and negative half rectifier is the direction of the diode. This is for the positive half wave rectifier. We can see direction of diode is like this and it will be forward bias for positive half cycle and we will get the output like this. But if we consider about the negative wave rectifier, the direction of diode will be reverse only. You can see here like this. Here the direction of diode is like this, and in negative half cycle in negative wave rectifier the direction of diode will be like this. So in negative half wave rectifier we will get the output like this, that is only negative half cycles will be present there. We can differ here the positive half wave rectifier and negative half wave rectifier. So this is about the half wave rectifier. We will stop here. In next lecture we will see the half wave rectifier with capacitor filter.